I'm Tiago Bastos. I'm Portuguese. In FERRANDI, I did the intensive bread baking program, and I heard about it from my wife, who is my now business partner. She also did the intensive bread baking program along with me, and the stage here in Paris. Excited, can't wait to get started on the next step already. It's been very enriching for me to deal with that, to live with that, to sacrifice as I did, being away from my family, to continue and strengthen my knowledge to bring it back home. In boulangerie, I had no idea that the family concept is so strong. Being such an intense profession, which I learned also at FERRANDI with the transition to the stage that I did here in Paris, in your bakeries, which again, I felt supported all the way, in school obviously, but a little bit more like baby support. And then starting to fly, if you will, in the bakery where I was working with professionals. And so I had to get my game up. But I knew on the back of my head that I had the whole support of the FERRANDI team. Biking, crazy people at 2 a.m. in Pigalle, great bakeries, effort, because it's my own experience and I was here far away from my family, so it was an effort. But in the end, very strong people and good-hearted people that I found, and I have Paris in my heart for sure. Yeah. Because of my wife. She was the one that found it, yeah. You're welcome.